We're beginning this bulletin with some breaking news coming in. There's been a shocking case of firing at a court in Chandigarh. A former Punjab cop has apparently shot his son-in-law, and he's been shot dead. At this point, it's a former Punjab AIG, and his son-in-law has been shot dead on court premises. We still are awaiting details as to the possible reasons behind this shocking daylight murder. The accused has been taken into custody. Let's listen into some reactions.
इमीडिएटली लोकल पुलिस मौके ते पहुंची। उत्थे आके पता लग्या कि जो विक्टिम है एक हरप्रीत सिंह नाम दे व्यक्ति ने, जिन्होंने इमीडिएटली जिन्होंने भी फायरिंग इंसीडेंट देखा उन्होंने हॉस्पिटल उन्होंने लेके गए। अलेजिड जेडे सी उन्होंने उत्थे ही मौके ते एप्रीहेंड किया गया, उन्होंने पुलिस कस्टडी च लिता गया ते उन्होंने तो एक वैपन रिकवर किया गया। सीन ऑफ क्राइम ते कुछ स्पेंट बुलेट्स ते कुछ अनफायर्ड बुलेट्स सानू मिली हैं। एरिया सारा कॉर्डन ऑफ करके सेंट्रल फोरेंसिक साइंस लैबोरेटरी चंडीगढ़ की टीम बुला ली गई है ते सारे सीन ऑफ क्राइम का मुआयना चल रहा है। जिन्ने भी आई विटनेसिस सी उन्हां नाल भी गलबात चल रही है ते जो भी तफ्तीश च सहयोग देण सानू आणगे उन्हां दी असीं स्टेटमेंट लेके कार्रवाई करांगे।
My colleague Amandeep joins us with more details. Amandeep, this is shocking indeed what we are seeing in Chandigarh court. What more details do you have about the possible motive behind the killing in one's own family? Amandeep, can you hear me?
Well, absolutely. Now the police is also investigating the entire case to know motive behind this entire incident. Just because AIG suspended, in fact, AIG Malvinder Singh Sidhu, suspended AIG Malvinder Singh Sidhu is facing the ED case, and in fact earlier he was in an impression that his son-in-law is behind this entire case, and in fact he was one who flagged the issue with the ED, and the ED started investigation against AIG Malvinder Singh Sidhu. So that was the impression, and that was the trigger point from where the entire incident has been reported. But so far it has not been confirmed by the accused AIG Malvinder Singh, and neither any of the family members, that what was the strong and concrete motive behind this. But yes, it was a murder inside the court, in the jurisdiction of the court. A weapon was being brought by suspended AIG Malvinder Singh and shot his son-in-law, who is an ICAS officer and deputed in the Union Ministry as well. And in fact this entire incident reported when the mediation supposed to take place, he was taken to the restroom, and in fact when accused was asked to go to the restroom, he has just fired 5 bullets, and in fact 2 bullets hit deceased and resulting him dead on the spot. So now the police have taken the custody of suspended AIG Malvinder Singh to know more about this. Weapon has also been recovered which has been used in this murder case. The further investigation is also, let's wait and watch what will be unfolded, just because this is a very shocking incident that is reported today. Yes.
All right, thanks a lot, Amandeep, for joining us with those details. We'll keep coming back to you to track more details as it comes in.